I'm going to add some frothy milk to my tea. Oh, my jar is hot. I can't grab it. Here we go. Here we go. I microwaved this. I'm trying to make my very own at-home London fog. Oh, my milk's, it's in there. It's just not coming out. Come on. Come on, Froth. You can do it. Come on, Froth. Can you hear Mango meowing in the background? Yeah, that's pretty much why I don't post videos to YouTube anymore. She's always meowing. Every time I turn on the camera and start talking, she meows. Look at all the froth that's left. I need a spoon. Okay, I spooned out all the froth. Oh, it looks so good. Okay. So you put milk in a mason jar, put the lid on the mason jar, shake it up, take the lid off the mason jar, put it in the microwave for 35 seconds on high, and you get frothy milk. So you can make your very own London fog at home, which is Earl Grey with vanilla. I used Tetley Earl Grey vanilla tea. Here, I'll show you. So that's the tea. Tetley Earl Grey vanilla tea. Okay, and then steeped that in, added some frothy milk, and voila! Home brewed London fog and a very meowy cat.